All right, let's see. I'm gonna announce the team properly. We all know them, but we want to get to know them a little bit better. Here on the red side of the field, we see team 19444.
Lorentz Engineering.
And they are together with team 10918.
Space.
Over on the blue side of the field, we see team 20091.
It's blood, sweat, and gears.
And they are together with their partner 3954.
It's Pink to the future.
The field is yours.
And their alliance partners for the Blue Alliance, Casimir Tech, and for the Red Alliance, F.R.O.G. Oh, other way around.
Because one of the robots was touched. Now we're going for 5. So that's position number 2. Straight ahead parking is the thing to do for our robots at the end of autonomous. May I remind you, you may have switched back on your Wi-Fi. Switch it back off, please. I see some laptops in the audience. Make sure they're in airplane mode.
Turn it off.
And that means I'm counting down this semifinal in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, this is the way we expected it. Lorentz Engineering going for that high junction and Pink to the Future doing the same thing. We don't see any autonomous scores yet. And now Pink to the Future started scoring on that low junction. Can Lorentz Engineering copy that on the high junction? It does not seem so. And it seems like we have 2 parked robots for blue. All right, let's see what happens. A slight advantage for the Blue Alliance. But red is working hard. Lorentz Engineering stacking cones on that. High junction fast. Team Space with the white rollers spreading out. Awesome scoring. Cheering on for your own alliance. Let's see what happens here. Team Space is starting on the other stack now. Let's look at the scores right now. It's awfully close. That advantage for the Blue Alliance is disappearing fast. Pink to the Future adding another cone. We have 20 seconds before endgame. I can see the cone stacks diminishing fast. Not a lot of cones left for the Blue Alliance and the Red Alliance. And the field is littered. Both alliances want to make sure that they have cones left for endgame. Endgame which started right now. Endgame has started. Time for beacons. Let's see how much time is left. 10 seconds. Who can score in 10 seconds? A beacon for blue. And that wraps up this match. This was a match worthy of being a final. However, it was only a semi-final. Playing 1 against 4. The first seeded alliance against the 4th seeded alliance. And what a match it was.
Rob.
The match goes to blue with a high score. Look at that. Look
What
at
an
that driver
insane
control.
score. But look at that, losing a match with 148. We haven't seen that all season.
And only 10 penalty points, Stijn, considering that's crazy. That's just crazy.
It's so impressive to see these teams in action.
148 should not lose you the match.
No, never.
Take a win with 148. Teams for the Red Alliance, we see once more Team 19444.
Lorentz Engineering.
Only this time, they're combined with a team from their own school, and that is 16382.
Casimir Tech.
On the blue side of the field, once more, we meet Team 20091.
Blood, sweat, and gears.
Only this time, they choose to compete with their friends from Germany, 10183.
F.R.O.G Robots of Germany.
All right, all right. Then we're gonna start this match in 3, 2, 1, go. Autonomous always so important, fighting for that high junction. We see Lorentz Engineering scoring and F.R.O.G scoring as well. Is Lorentz scoring again? Yes! Oh my goodness, we haven't seen this happen. F.R.O.G missed though. And now Lorentz Engineering, can they do it one more time? They can.
Drivers.
Let's look at the parks.
3, 2, 1.
I'm not sure if all the parking was accumulated in this preliminary score, but it is blue against red now. 2 minutes of driver controlled, and there is a slight advantage for red, but it's only tiny. So it really comes down to who can score the quickest. Can these teams stay calm and score? Cheering for your own alliance. The Red Alliance is stacking that high junction, and blue is going for the spread. Blue is going for the spread, now taking over one more red junction here at the low. Red can play that game as well, taking over a mid junction from blue. Scores are awfully close together, too tight to see. Now the alliances are waiting. Substation need to be filled fast. Red Alliance running out of cones fast. We have 7 seconds before endgame. And endgame means beacons. Beacons, it is endgame time. It is time to introduce the beacons for 10 bonus points. Can they score them? With only 15 seconds left, who's gonna take the win? It is still awfully close. 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know.
Oh my God, Floor, what? This is crazy.
What a treat again, this match.
Awesome. A third match.
Third match. What a treat.
Oh my God, this is crazy time.
All right. For the Red Alliance, we see Team 10918.
Space.
And they are playing together with Team 16382.
Casimir Tech.
Awesome. So once again, Their alliance captain decided to stay out of this match. On the other side of the field for the Blue Alliance, we meet again. Team 20091.
Blood, sweat, and gears.
And they decided to switch back to their original partner. Their first pick, 3954.
Think to the future.
All right, we randomized the field into a 3 position. All right. No more touching the controls. If you're ready, have your thumb in the air so we know you're ready. One more time, I'm gonna count down this match in 3, 2, 1, go! Racing forward is Blood, Sweat and Gears. Pink to the future, not with the cone. Are they picking up? Yes, they are. Blood, Sweat and Gears picking up a cone. Can they score it though? Nope, Pink is still scoring. Space is parked. Casimir Tech is parked. Blood, Sweat and Gears parked, and Pink is still working on it.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3.
We see a slight advantage for the Red Alliance. And that disappears when tally-up starts. Let's see what these teams can do. Cheer for your Alliance. This might be their last match. Blood, Sweat and Gears already emptying out that stack in Autonomous, leaving only 2 cones, which are now empty. We see Team Space with that blue rocket on top and the white rollers picking up a red cone, adding it to the high junction, claiming it for red. Not yet though, yes there it is. Casimir Tech claiming that low junction for red as well. Blood, Sweat and Gear taking over a high junction, and Pink claiming that high junction one more time. Teams are scoring fast, as we've seen them do all day long. Now Space is on their way to reclaim that high junction. They fail, too bad, but I bet they are back in no time whatsoever. Yes, there they are, claiming another blue high junction. Ooh, that almost tipped over the robot for Blood, Sweat and Gears. 14 seconds left before endgame. We see a slight advantage for the Red Alliance right now. Endgame has started. Endgame. It's time for beacons. Who's gonna score in the last 30 seconds? We see Pink to the future not claiming that high junction. With 15 seconds left, endgame is almost over. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, we are. Who takes it? It goes to Red!
Yeah, and look where they scored it. Endgame really took it for them. A small penalty as well, but still.
Yeah. Amazing performance by the Red Alliance. Yeah, that endgame is amazing. Coming back after losing the first semi-final is super hard. Yeah. Keep your focus, stay calm on the field. And
so impressive.
They really pulled it off. Congratulations.